What would an extra $1,000 a month mean for your life? With inflation driving up costs and paychecks not stretching quite as far as they once did, many people feel like they're just treading water. But here's the truth. Extra income, it's not just about keeping up, it's about creating the freedom to live life on your terms. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing 10 of the best side hustle ideas for 2025. I'm going to rank each one of these side hustle ideas for both time investment and how quickly you can make your very first $100. These aren't just ideas, they are proven strategies that you can start implementing and start making money with today. And if you stick around, I'm going to reveal at the end of this video my very favorite side hustle, the one that helped me double my six-figure salary and achieve financial freedom in just over 4 years. Trust me, it's a game changer. So if you're new to this channel, let me introduce myself. My name is Ryan Dilley, and I want to welcome you to the Wealth Outside of Wall Street channel, where we help individuals just like you take control over your money to achieve financial freedom in 10 years or less. That's not a platitude, that is our mission. Side hustles are one of the most powerful tools that you can use to accelerate that journey. But here's the big picture. The real purpose of earning more money isn't just so you have more money to spend. If you're smart, it's about investing better. So at some point, your assets can start supplementing your income and eventually completely replace you in the equation, helping you achieve complete financial freedom. Every extra dollar that you earn can be used to build momentum toward your financial goals. So if you're ready to hustle a little bit harder right now so you can buy back your time exponentially faster, then you're in the right place. So let's get started. Now, before we dive in, let me quickly explain how I'm going to be ranking each one of these side hustles. I'll be rating each one based on number one, time investment, how much time it's going to take to start and ultimately maintain that side hustle. Number two, I'm going to be ranking each one of these based on the difficulty to earn your first $100. How fast you can make your first $100 determines how likely you are to continue to stick with that side hustle. I'm going to be using a rating scale between 1 to 5, and to keep it simple, I'm going to be using stars as a way to rank these. So this is going to be a fun video, and it's going to help you hopefully choose a side hustle that fits your lifestyle and ultimately your goals. So let's dive in and analyze each one of these side hustles to see which one might be a good fit for you. First up, I want to talk about digital side hustles. These are ideal for anyone looking to make money from home using technology. Now today, it has never been easier than it ever has in the history of the world to make money using digital technology. So number one, let's talk about the side hustle of AI content creation services. AI has completely revolutionized how content is created. Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Midjourney allow you to produce high-quality blogs, social posts, and even product descriptions in minutes. Businesses, especially small ones, need this content to attract customers, but they don't necessarily have the time or expertise to create it. So this is what creates an opportunity for you. If you can master these tools, you can fill that gap and charge for your services. So for this side hustle, time investment, I'm going to rank this at 2 out of 5, 2 stars. For difficulty to earn your first $100, I'm going to rank it 3 out of 5 stars. With a few hours of learning, these tools can position you as a valuable freelancer in the upcoming space. So for side hustle number 2, let's talk about online courses. If you have a skill that people often ask you about, turning that knowledge into an online course can generate passive income for years. Platforms like Skillshare and Udemy make it easy to package your expertise and sell it online. Topics like productivity, cooking, or personal finance are always in demand, and you don't need to have a massive audience to get started. One of my very first mentors said you could make $1 million with just 1,000 true fans. And I've proven this to be true in multiple businesses. Now today, I still have passive income coming in from courses I created 5, 6, even 7 years ago. So for this one, I ranked it 3 stars for time investment and 3 stars for difficulty to earn your first $100. So if you're going to get going in online course creation, spend time validating your idea. Ask friends or family if they'd pay for it before diving into the course creation. So side hustle number 3 is virtual assistant services. Now, virtual assistants help businesses with tasks like managing emails, scheduling appointments, and social media. It's flexible, and the services you offer can align with your unique strengths. Businesses are often happy to outsource these type of tasks to free up their time to focus on their unique skills and expertise. So for this one, I ranked it for a time investment 3 stars. For difficulty to earn your first $100, I ranked it 2 stars. You can start by offering your services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, or even approach small businesses directly. I know several people in my immediate circles of influence that are making a couple of extra $1,000 per month by outsourcing their services as a virtual assistant to businesses and to entrepreneurs who need that type of help. So the next side hustle is digital products. Digital products like CV templates, budget trackers, or ebooks are a scalable way to start earning money right now. You can create one and start selling it repeatedly. If you have a skill or a knowledge, you can package that into something others need. And this is a phenomenal option for anyone out there. In fact, my son right now, who's 19 years old, is a board game enthusiast. He's created several different pieces that supplement or enhance a board game experience, and he sells the templates for others to be able to 3D print those templates at their very own home, and he sells them for anywhere from $15 to $20. This allows him to make it one time and then market it over and over and over again and make money from people who love board games just as much as he does. Now, you can use platforms like Etsy or Gumroad to make getting started easy. So for this one, I love this. So I'm going to rank this 3 stars for time investment and 4 stars for difficulty to earn your first $100. Strong marketing and appealing visuals can make a big difference to help you stand out to sell your product a little bit easier. Okay, so for the next section of side hustles, I'm going to get into service-based side hustles. If you enjoy working with people, these service-based hustles can be a great fit for you. So number 5 is coaching or tutoring services. People will pay for personalized coaching in almost any area of their life, from fitness to business to strategy to language and anything in between. Tutoring is such a powerful way to use your unique skill sets and with technology to be able to tutor anyone from all over the world. So start small by offering your expertise to friends, to family, or colleagues, and expand as you gain testimonials and confidence. For this one, I'm going to rank time investment 4 out of 5 stars, and for difficulty to earn your first $100, 3 out of 5 stars. You don't need a fancy setup to start. All you need is a clear offer and a way to book your sessions using something like Calendly, and then using online platforms like Zoom to connect with people and offer your coaching and mentoring services. Okay, number 6 might be my favorite one. This is event planning services. Event planning can range from small birthday parties to large weddings or even corporate events. Many people are willing to pay to have the stress of organizing taken off their plate. Start by offering to plan events for friends and family and build up your portfolio from there. For this one, I'm going to rank it 5 out of 5 for time investment, and for difficulty to earn your first $100, I'm going to rank it 2 out of 5 stars. Once you have a few photos and testimonials, you can start to market your services on social media or even on local community boards. Okay, so this is going to bring me to my last section of side hustles, which is creative side hustles. For those creatives out there, these side hustles let you earn while doing what you love. So for the next one is video editing. Video editing is in high demand as content creation continues to grow. From YouTubers to small businesses, everyone needs engaging videos to stand out. If you're comfortable with editing software, you can charge for your services, even starting with entry-level gigs. At this very moment, this YouTube channel is being produced by 2 people side hustling video editing services on my behalf. I'm willing to pay for it, and they're bringing their skills and services to the table. So for this one, I'm going to rank it 4.5 stars out of 5, and difficulty to earn your first $100, I'm going to rank it 2 out of 5 stars. Reach out to small content creators or businesses and offer to edit a sample video to showcase your skills. The next one is web design. Every business needs a professional website, and not everyone has the skills or the time to create one. Web design is a lucrative side hustle, and you can offer maintenance services for recurring income. Platforms like WordPress make it easy to start, even if you're not a coding expert. So for this one, I gave it 4 out of 5 stars for time investment and 3 out of 5 stars for difficulty to earn your first $100. The next one is graphic design. Graphic design is essential for branding, marketing, and digital content. If you know tools like Canva or Photoshop, you can create logos, social media graphics, or even marketing materials for businesses. So for this one, time investment is 3 out of 5 stars and difficulty to earn your first $100 is 2 out of 5 stars. Start small by offering designs to local businesses or through platforms like Fiverr. Okay, number 10 is writing services. Okay, so for the last side hustle that I'm going to give you before I share my favorite side hustle is writing services. Businesses need blogs, email campaigns, and website copy to attract and engage customers. If you're good with words, writing can be a highly profitable hustle. Niches like health, finance, and technology are especially in high demand. Last year, I partnered with someone from our community to write newsletters and blogs for me. And for me, someone who produces a lot of video content, this is a phenomenal solution. I can give this individual who's really good at creatively writing the video content, and they turn that video content into written content. It's a win-win for me and for her. Emily, thank you very much. So for this one, I rank it 3 out of 5 stars for time investment and 3 out of 5 stars for difficulty to earn your first $100. Freelancing platforms or cold pitching small businesses are a great way to land your first gig. Now, to close out this video, I want to share with you my favorite side hustle, the one thing that didn't just double my 6-figure corporate salary, but ultimately set me on the path of financial freedom in just over 4 years. Early in my career, I realized something that changed everything for me. The people who made the most money weren't necessarily the smartest or the hardest working. They were the ones who knew how to sell. And I'll admit, fresh out of college, I didn't think sales was for me. I thought my degree meant I'd never have to sell something ever again. But then reality hits. Back in my corporate days, I worked in the medtech industry, and one day my team and I were installing equipment at a hospital. I struck up a conversation with the sales rep who had closed the deal, and I'll never forget what he told me. Now, number one, he was my age, but when I learned what he had made on that sell, my entire perspective around sales changed. I was there with my crew installing and making sure that the equipment was taken care of perfectly, but this individual who had built quality relationships made $1 million on that single sell. My jaw dropped to the ground. It was a life-altering moment right then and there. I decided that I needed to learn how to sell. Fast forward a few months and I had moved myself into a sales career within my corporate career, but it was in my side hustles where sales truly became a game changer. Every entrepreneur out there, every business owner out there needs a good salesperson to sell their services. Now, early on for me, I hired a real estate coach to coach me into the game of investing in real estate. Now, this individual had two packages that he would sell, a $5,000 package and a $10,000 package, but he was the one selling them. I convinced him to let me sell his packages for him, but I started creating and curating new leads that wanted to learn how to get into the game of real estate investing. And I started selling all of them his coaching package. Now, what this allowed me to do is sell his services and get paid as an affiliate for doing it. I got so good at selling his services that I started creating sales videos. I started creating landing pages. I started doing all of this stuff to be able to sell more people into his services without me having to meet with them one-on-one. My friends, sales is by far the most powerful side hustle that you can do. And if you can find a way to build your skills as a sales rep, then you can pair that with technology and you can stop trading your time for money. That's one of my favorite things about a side hustle is how do you detach it from the time that you spend. So there you have it, 10 powerful side hustles to jumpstart your income and accelerate your journey to financial freedom. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And here's a challenge for you. Share this video with a friend and see who can make the most money in 2025. Because friends, they don't let friends retire broke, and you now have the tools to jumpstart and accelerate your pathway to not only making more money, but to achieving financial freedom far faster. Let's make it happen in 2025, and I'll see you on the next video.